Bingo. The message which I have for you is very profound. What you need to do right now is start doing all those activities that you have been wanting to do, which are the call of your soul, of your heart, and that will take you gradually closer to your dream life, to the goals that you want to manifest into your life. It is springtime, it's the harvest season. To start harvesting all those things gradually in your life, you have to take some actions, you have to be more flexible, more adaptive. It might have been also like you have to manage your time. You might be doing multiple things, but you have to also now to start doing things that matters the most to you. Also, it's time for you to make your foundation grow stronger and stronger. So it might be something you have to learn or unlearn, so that your foundation in the things that matters to you grow deeper and stronger. You might have to also take help of someone who is already very skilled in the area where you want to grow and enrich your life. So find the person who can genuinely help you and just start learning from them, just start taking guidance from them. You might have to also, take some kind of course. It's a learning phase basically. You might have to plant your seed that will germinate and grow into a stronger, larger tree. So take a course, go for some classes, and start doing the activities that really matters for you, that is going to make you stronger and make the success more easier and more rewarding when you get it into your life. I also see is that this is time for you to start indulging in all the activities that makes you joyful, start connecting to your inner spirit, start listening to your own voice, your voice of your soul, voice of your heart, not of your ego. You might also like to cherish and spend more time with your kids. It's a time where maybe your kids will have some exams or something. You might have to give them more attention. So that is also something which you have to take into consideration. The more you start being with your kids, they will also start loving to spend time with you, and you might also start understanding them better. So this will also strengthen and bond you people way better and way well. So this is another thing which I see. And also, if there are some kind of issues in terms of your relationship, this is time to go and speak it up, speak up your heart. Let the other person know you clearly and precisely what is the thing that is holding you back. Okay, so holding your heart back. If there is some kind of issues in your communications, or you feel like your needs are not being met, just go up and speak with them. They will understand, they will be receptive to it. But yeah, you need to be empathetic and compassionate also, because we have to understand everyone is have their own experience, they have their own life. You might not do, but they might also need your help at this time. So maybe they are having some kind of professional issue due to which they might be a bit down or feeling dull in their life. And if there is some kind of ongoing issues in your life, that is actually an additional burden to them. So just be also a more receptive and compassionate and empathetic when you go and let out, and this will solve your problems. This will make you both understand each other and bring the peace, reign the peace in your relationship. So this is the guidance which I get from the spiritual realm, from the spirit guides. I hope you found it helpful. For more, you can like and subscribe now. Thanks for joining. Stay tuned for more.